Are you struggling to get high-paid jobs on one of the best platforms for professionals? Or are you someone who's dying to have top-tier clients on board? Well, whoever you may be, you are not alone. Everyone struggles to achieve these key ingredients towards financial freedom. In fact, having a dream job or gaining the attention of top-tier clients is a dream that's not easy to gain. It takes years of effort that most of the time goes all in vain. Because let's face it, it requires time, and you rarely have idle time for yourself. But time is just one side of the problem. If you're a professional looking for a job or someone who seeks high-paid clients, you'll soon realize that getting these precious things is hard, very hard. If I say it's impossible to do it on your own, I would be telling a real fact because, well, it's the truth. You and I both know it. Otherwise, why would you be here in the first place? Now you must be thinking, okay, so I need to hire someone and all the problems are gone, right? Unfortunately, no. For you, hiring people to do your bidding might not be the best solution. In fact, it could be your worst and most futile decision of your life. And here's why. When you wish to hire, you meet people who offer you little or no results and quote you exceptionally high for it. Now, I must tell you, there are only a handful of professionals who truly know how LinkedIn works, and those who do work on a corporate level. And guess what? They charge thousands of dollars from one client alone. In layman terms, you're stuck with your average job because you can't risk investing a huge sum of money to get your dream job. And if you're a business owner, you probably don't have enough marketing budget to spend thousands of dollars on the LinkedIn platform alone. Even if you do, you'd never know whether the person you hired for marketing is the real deal or he's just ripping you off your hard-earned money. So you're literally stuck in the mud. But there is a solution to keep ripoffs at bay. And that's buying or subscribing to an affordable automation marketing tool for LinkedIn. But again, you never know whether the tool genuinely works or is it just a fad. In other words, most automation tools that claim to offer you something, that is, a tool that requires nothing but the press of a button, can be useless since you'll find yourself spending more time than you'd spend doing the same tasks on your own. Now, these so-called automation tools are more hurdle than a solution. And the worst part, you'll be paying for it. This is exactly what happened to me. As a business owner, I was looking for an automation tool that could help me increase my revenue by letting me get in touch with other professionals on LinkedIn. But all the tools I've tried were of no use. I had to spend hours per day to get things right. Even then, I never got the results I hoped to get. Since I didn't have much time, I hired a marketer who could do it for me. But the marketer wasn't as professional as I thought he'd be. I never got the results I was looking for, and these little failures were enough to help me realize that I needed to do something about it. With that determination, I brainstormed solutions for my problem. That's when I took the step to create my own LinkedIn automation marketing tool. And with that idea, I created the most successful LinkedIn software tool you'll have seen yet. I call it Linked Assist, and it's the perfect solution for your LinkedIn-related problems. Linked Assist comes packed with great features that spike your sales high and skyrocket your chances of getting a high-paid job to its peak. And guess what? For the first time, everything is automated here. You only need to invest just a few seconds of your precious time on Linked Assist, and it will do the rest on its own. With Linked Assist, you not only increase your chances of getting a high-paid job, but you also get the opportunity to connect with leading professionals and make yourself an all-star personality on LinkedIn. Believe me, once you get in touch with great, inspiring people, you'll realize that you are becoming a new person in a good way, and that change alone is priceless. As for business owners or marketers, you meet with top-tier corporate-level clients who are seeking your product or services. In simple terms, you will have no trouble in skyrocketing your sales to ultimate heights. And the best part is, if your product or service is great, these clients will stick with you forever. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, because now you must be wondering why you should listen to me. So let me tell you a bit about myself and you'll figure it out yourself. Hi, I'm Giuseppe Guerrieri. I am the CTO of Unovision GmbH and SEO Vision, a certified digital marketer from Google and HubSpot, with more than a decade of experience and the brains behind Linked Assist, as you already know. I know everything there is behind the curtains of the digital marketing front, and I've applied all those tactics and strategies on this automation tool so you can get the best out of it. This is why Linked Assist has not only helped me, but also helped dozens of other professionals like myself. here's how you can benefit from it too. With Linked Assist, you can send connection requests with or without a message autonomously. You can send messages and personal signature automatically with each request. Message directly from LinkedIn's people search results. Endorse your connections of all skills to receive many in return. Export the data in CSV. Includes sent requests, messages, signatures, etc. View profiles automatically and endorse them simultaneously. Save messages and signature as templates to be used for future automation. Message to connections from downloaded CSVs. Delete already sent connection requests by days, and much more. You must have realized by now that this is the perfect automation marketing tool for LinkedIn that you've been looking for all this time. And since Linked Assist comes with 30 days money-back guarantee, you don't have to worry about getting ripped off, because if Linked Assist doesn't work for you and you can prove it to me, I will personally offer a full refund, no questions asked. But you should know that, well, you'll be the first one to claim it. Now, I'm going to give you two choices. Either subscribe to the Linked Assist right now or sign up for the free webinar, where I will not only talk about this tool's features, but also demonstrate just how effectively it works. However, if you act right now, I will offer you a short and easy to consume video course as a free bonus. In it, you'll learn how to write persuasive messages to get more connections, how to use Linked Assist like a digital marketing pro, how to send enticing messages to sell your product or service, and more. So what are you waiting for? Click here to subscribe to Linked Assist today and fulfill whatever dreams you have within just a few weeks, or sign up for a webinar session and learn more about Linked Assist, its features, and why it's great for your professional life. Click here to subscribe now or sign up for the free webinar.